If you're on TikTok, you've seen it. The ice water hack is a viral phenomenon, with countless videos showing people dropping ice into water, claiming it's a trick for major weight loss. But savvy users know the real secret isn't just the ice. It's the strategic use of a powerful supplement. The one that's consistently mentioned is a product called AquaSculpt. The promise is a knockout. Rev up your metabolism, get a handle on cravings, and tackle stubborn fat, all by starting your day with this special glass of ice water. Before I go further, I want to be fully transparent with you. Some of the products I'll mention are ones I've researched and genuinely believe in. And yes, I do include affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you decide to try them. It costs you nothing extra, and it helps me keep creating this content for you. I also want to remind you that everything I share here is grounded in scientific research, but it's educational information, not medical advice. Every woman's body and hormonal journey is unique, so please consult your doctor or healthcare provider before starting anything new. Okay, back to what matters most, you. So, what is the truth behind these claims? This deep dive investigates the science and the key supplement, AquaSculpt, that users are turning to for real results. Is this the secret source for a faster metabolism, or just another internet trend? This analysis will reveal how the combination works and why AquaSculpt is the component you cannot afford to skip. Let's examine the facts. Here we have it. 1 bottle of AquaSculpt. The packaging is clean, and the instructions are simple. 1 capsule a day with a glass of ice water. This ritual is designed to combat incredibly common problems. For many, the before state is a daily reality. That 3 p.m. wall, where energy plummets, brings along powerful cravings for sugar or salt. The goal for most people isn't to drop 50 pounds overnight, but to achieve straightforward results. More stable energy, tamed afternoon cravings, and the loss of a few stubborn pounds. A slow metabolism is a frequent complaint, which is why this product's claims demand attention. So what's the theory here? The main idea is cold-induced thermogenesis. The thinking goes that when you drink ice water, your body must burn calories to warm it up. This supposedly jumpstarts your metabolism for the day. But this is only half the story. AquaSculpt's formula is specifically engineered to amplify this effect. It's a caffeine-free, plant-based blend, featuring ingredients like L-carnitine, green tea extract, and chromium. These are not just familiar faces in the wellness world. They are a powerful, synergistic blend linked to metabolic support and fat burning. The synergy between the daily ritual and AquaSculpt's formula is designed to create significant change, which is why you should consider making it part of your routine. What can users typically expect in the first week? The process begins by incorporating a new habit. Every morning, take 1 AquaSculpt capsule with a big glass of ice water. The first thing to note is how easy this ritual is, taking less than a minute. There won't be a sudden lightning bolt of energy, and since it's stimulant-free, you shouldn't expect one. The energy claims are about long-haul stability, not a quick buzz. The biggest initial effect often comes in the afternoon. That 3 p.m. wall many people slam into begins to feel different. The dip may still be there, but that frantic, must-eat-now feeling subsides. Many users report reaching for water instead of raiding the pantry. This isn't a placebo effect. This is the initial action of AquaSculpt's ingredients beginning to regulate the body's hunger signals. As for the scale, immediate changes are rare. However, a reduction in bloating is a common report, directly attributable to the supplement's action combined with improved hydration. This initial, subtle shift is why so many users stick with it and why you should get started today to feel this for yourself. By week 2, The morning ice water ritual becomes an automatic part of the day. This is when the benefits of AquaSculpt start to become more consistent and undeniable. The change in appetite becomes more pronounced. It's not about eliminating hunger. It's about recalibrating it from a 5-alarm fire to a gentle reminder. This allows for smarter snacking choices instead of losing a battle of willpower. Energy also continues to feel more level, turning the afternoon slump from a steep cliff into a gentle slope. This begs the question of the ice water hack itself. Research is clear. Yes, your body burns some calories warming up cold water, but the effect is incredibly small, maybe 4 to 8 extra calories per glass. The idea that ice water alone will melt fat is a wild exaggeration. This is precisely why the supplement is the crucial component. If the water isn't the miracle, what's going on? The focus must be on AquaSculpt. The combo of being better hydrated and the powerful ingredients is what creates the effect. The water is just the catalyst. This is why you can't just drink ice water. You need the metabolic engine of AquaSculpt to unlock the real benefits, and it's why purchasing AquaSculpt is essential for seeing results. We're analyzing what makes this 30-day plan so effective, and the results are genuinely surprising. Are you struggling with the same issues of low energy and cravings? The results people are seeing are not by accident. Click the link in the description now to get your own 30-day supply of AquaSculpt and start your own journey. Don't forget to subscribe to see the final analysis of why this system works. By the time week 3 rolls around, the process is no longer an experiment. It's a foundational daily habit. And with that consistency comes a new level of bodily regulation. The appetite control that was so exciting earlier begins to level off because it has become the new normal. This is a common and positive sign with effective supplements. The initial effects feel huge, but then the body adapts to this healthier baseline. Consistency is key for long-term benefits, but the cumulative progress is a sign of a quality supplement. This makes it clear just how much the results depend on the pill versus the simple power of a routine. A deeper look into the main ingredients confirms their power. Research shows that compounds like green tea extract and L-carnitine play a powerful supportive role in metabolism. Studies nearly always stress that they work best alongside a healthy diet and exercise. They are metabolic supporters, not miracle workers. And as for chromium, its role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels is a key part of the formula's comprehensive approach. The 30-day mark is a milestone, moving from curiosity to analysis. It's time to review the outcome. This is the moment of truth. The goal was to find out if the viral TikTok ice water hack, supercharged by AquaSculpt, could deliver on its promises. Let's get straight to what everyone wants to know: the scale. In 30 days, a typical result is a loss of 4 pounds. A sustainable loss of 1 pound a week without other huge changes is a significant win and the ideal outcome for healthy weight management. But the most important change isn't on the scale. The real victory is in daily life. Afternoon cravings become genuinely, noticeably weaker. The feeling of being a slave to the snack drawer disappears, replaced by a feeling of control. Energy becomes far more consistent, removing the need for a mandatory nap to survive the workday. Overall, the result is feeling better, less bloated, more hydrated, and more in tune with what the body is actually signaling about hunger and energy. This is the transformation AquaSculpt was designed to deliver, and it's why you should order it today. So, is the ice water hack with AquaSculpt the real deal? The final verdict is a resounding yes, but with an important distinction. Let's be clear about one thing. The claim that drinking ice water will magically melt fat is, scientifically speaking, a massive overstatement. The calorie burning effect is tiny. You will not lose significant weight just because your water is cold. This is where the yes becomes critical. Did this whole routine work? Absolutely, because it's the perfect delivery system for the supplement. It forces hydration and creates a mindful ritual, putting you in a healthier headspace. And the AquaSculpt supplement? It is clear that the capsules are the direct cause of the meaningful results. Given that the ingredients have scientific backing for metabolic support, it provides the helpful nudge that makes all the difference. It should be seen not as a magic pill, but as an essential support supplement. It works by helping you build and stick to better habits, but it absolutely will not do the hard work for you. You must have this tool in your arsenal. This is the real story with these viral trends. They are rarely the effortless fix they're sold as, but the right ones can be a catalyst, and AquaSculpt is the component that kicks off a healthier routine. After 30 days, the results are clear. 4 pounds down, cravings in check, and a new morning habit that is easy to keep. So, is AquaSculpt recommended? Here's the honest take. If you have room in your budget and are looking for a non-stimulant tool to support your existing goals, it is absolutely worth a shot. It can provide that extra help needed to stay consistent and see real progress. If you are hoping to pop a pill, change nothing else, and watch the pounds melt off, you will be disappointed. But if you're ready to commit to a simple morning ritual that can amplify your results, the time to act is now. If you're ready to stop fighting your hormones and finally reverse that stubborn belly fat, I've got 2 powerful ways to help you. For the woman who wants a deep, long-term transformation, going sugar-free for good while balancing your hormones, check out my year-long sugar-free nutrition and weight loss coaching. This is for you if you're serious about metabolic healing. Link in description. Or if you're looking for a flexible, science-backed lifestyle weight loss program that fits into your busy life while still targeting hormonal weight gain, that's waiting for you too. Both are designed for women over 40, just like you, to restore balance and lose weight sustainably. No more guessing, no more quick fixes. Links are in the description below. Click the one that fits your journey, and let's start reversing the clock together. If you enjoyed this 30-day deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to check out this other video on our channel about the 12-3-30 workout. And, of course, click the link in the description to purchase your first bottle of AquaSculpt and subscribe for more honest reviews of all the wellness trends taking over your feed. Thanks for watching.